So we're getting ready to do box breathing. What I want you to do is to close your eyes, right? Imagine either a really happy place or happy time, or you don't have to imagine anything at all. Just be in tune with your body and yourself, right? I want you to open your eyes and also look at me because we're going to do this exercise together. And I want you to see the box that we're creating as you take in and exhale your breaths. Start from this side. When I go up, you're going to breathe in, hold it for 3 seconds, and then let it out. Breathe in again. Hold it for 3 seconds, let it out. And then we've created our first box, and that's box breathing.
This holistic hand series on crisis intervention and suicide prevention was brought to you by the Eudaimonia Project. Recipients of the Changemaker Challenge grant from the Community Foundation of Howard County, Horizon Foundation, United Way of Central Maryland, the Women's Giving Circle, and viewers like you. The Eudaimonia Project is honored to be a 2024 Changemaker Challenge winner in Howard County.